Maidin mai heis mahora agus a fastí an seachtain seo tamajig jiru cabbage feast dó ag fecin share an teilifís. We're looking at chapter 22, watching the TV. And tan clangolair is tísa shomersi. All the family are in the sitting room. Agus fecim go bhfuil siad a lig ag buint usage as technoliachta. They're all using technologies in different ways. Ta Shifra agus Sean ag fecin share a cartoon an teilifís. Ta Dadji ag ober a rivera. Agus ta Mami ag leave an tablet. So Mum is reading the tablet, Dad's using his computer, and Sean and Shifra are ag fecin cartoon, watching a cartoon on the TV. So Rahamad Fridge are vukla nuad on Shafton. I'll go through our new words for the week. Agus we'll practice them then, boys and girls, as we go along. So let's say a teilifís, TV, cartoon, tullag, couch, caiher illen, armchair, rivera, computer, ag fecin share an teilifís, watching the TV, ag gaire, laughing, ag kinu, ta Oshin ag kinu, Oshin is crying, mar hog Taffy and Madu a hedgy, because Taffy the dog took his teddy, so ta Oshin walked ag kinu. Ta Shifra and Ali an mata, no an rugga, os cór na teilifíse. Ta Shin Ali a bullock, she's lying on her belly, on the rug or on the mat, os cór na teilifíse in front of the TV. Agus seo iad ar vukla. Agus fecin Milan Roddy Ellis, Shomrasi. I spy lots of other things in the sitting room. Shomrasi, marhampla Doris, door, shelfina, shelves, lampa, lamp, matal, mantelpiece, vaza, blahana, a vase of flowers. Fecin picture an mala. I see a picture on the wall. Fecin cunla lasu. I see a candle lit up. Ta an chinna shul, the fire is on. Fecim a picture din clan crochu an mala. I see a picture of the family hanging on the wall. Fecim a board bug, a little coffee table, board coffee table. Agus fecim lampa bug, I see a little lamp as well. Agus tan clangolair is tísa shomersi, they're all in the sitting room. Agus ta siad ag fecin share an teilifís, ag usage and rivera, agus ag leave and tablet. So they're all doing different things in the same room, aren't they, boys and girls? So clack the inish word vukla nua, practice your new words, and we will have a go at those. We also, boys and girls, have poems and songs for the week, and we'll just look at those now as well. Based on the TV, is Maitlum and teilifís, the song I Like the TV. Ag see an tullag le macharja fad, sitting on the couch with all my friends. Is my lum a bheith ag gaire, we like to be laughing. Ag fecin share na hamviha, looking at the animals, ha ha ha, he he he. Is smiling never a gaira, we like to laugh. So seo is smaitlam an teilifís, ag fecin share na hamviha, ha ha ha, he he he. It's smaitlam a bheith ag gaira, we like to laugh at the programme, at the television. And there's Pashtjabug, our little poem of the week. Pashtjabug, a small child.
Pashtjabug. Is Pashtjabug Misha?
Is Pashtjabug Misha? I'm a little child.
Ig bula bus.
Be ig bula bus, let's clap.
Is Malam Sugra?
Is Milam Sugru, I like to play.
Is Malam sus.
Is Milam Sus, and I like to have a break.
Beam in Mahasav.
I do be standing. Beam in Mahasu, I be standing.
Beam in Mohi.
Beam in Mahi, I do be sitting.
Nurahay Mahula.
Nurahe Machalu, when I go to sleep.
Beam in Moli.
Beam in Mali, I do be lying down. So seo é Páiste Beag, agus ag féachaint ar an teilifís, agus ar bhog le buinte le féachaint ar an teilifís don seachtain seo. Tullag, Caithfear Ellen, ag féachaint ar an teilifís, ag Gaire, Ina Lee, lying down, and I skipped a few there, sorry boys and girls. Cartoon, teilifís, ag Cínú, or as we say in Donegal, ag Gull, G-O-L, crying, agus an Riomhra. Gur maigah.